In a Wi-Fi data logger Testo160, individual alarms can be configured and allocated. The menu item Alarms, Alarm Settings, and the button New Alarm Setting lead to the configuration menu. Firstly, please assign a name for the alarm. Then set sensitivity, measuring points at which the alarm should apply, as well as the limit values. In this example, 25 degrees for the temperature and 60% for the relative humidity. Then select the email recipient or add a new email address. The same applies to SMS notifications. All alarms can be imported under the menu item Alarms, Alarm List. To filter the alarms, time periods or individual loggers can be selected.